Hello traders, in this video we are going to compare automated trading and manual trading. Okay, we want to find out which is better and why. All right, so you should know that automated trading and manual trading are actually two different approaches to participating in the market, and each has its own advantages and limitations. All right, so basically manual trading is when a trader makes all the decisions themselves. They analyze the charts themselves, you know um identify the setups themselves, they place their trades themselves. Basically everything is done manually. All right, and this approach gives you full control. Actually, you can adapt to changing market conditions, news events, and unusual price behavior. Right, it also helps you build skill and experience over time. However, manual trading comes with challenges. Emotions like fear and greed can affect decisions, leading to mistakes such as overtrading or exiting too early. Right? So it also requires time and focus, especially if you are actively monitoring the market. Okay, so on the other hand, automated trading uses algorithms, right? Algorithms or expert advisors to execute trades based on predefined rules, right? Based on predefined rules. Now, once you set up, remember that if you are using the MT5, you need to ensure that the algo trading is turned on, right? If it's MT4, ensure that you know the uh the auto trading is also turned on. Okay, so once you have set up your algorithmic trading or your expert advisor, the system can trade continuously without emotional interference. Of course, you need to have, an expert advisor to do that, right? You need to have the expert advisor file, just drag and drop whatever expert advisor that you want to function on your platform. Okay. Now they rely entirely on the rules that they are programmed with. It's important for you to know that expert advisors, they're actually dependent on the strategy that is programmed, that they are programmed to implement, right? The fact that they work without emotional interference makes it ideal for consistency and removing psychological bias. Automated systems are also faster, right? They can react instantly to market conditions. However, they are not perfect, right? They rely entirely on the rules that they are programmed with, which means that they may struggle in unpredictable or changing market environments. So, which is better? Actually, it depends on your goals and personality, right? If you prefer control and flexibility, manual trading may suit you. If you value consistency and less screen time, automated trading could be a better fit, right? So some traders even combine both, using automation for execution while applying manual oversight for decision making. Okay, the key takeaway is that neither approach is universally better. What matters is understanding how each works and choosing what aligns with your trading style. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.